Hi, hello guys. Welcome to the channel Mr. Cooling Glass View. Today's video we're gonna see the long-term ownership review of this car, the Alto LXi. So let's get inside the video. And guys, this is the vehicle, the Alto LXi 2012, the 8-year-old car. There was very less maintenance and the very few parts were replaced in this vehicle in the past 8 years. Keep watching this video till the end. At the end, I'm going to tell you what were the parts replaced and what was the maintenance cost. And if you're watching this video for the first time, click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Coming to the exterior look, there is no much change except the bumper. We have the same body colored bumper with some aftermarket fog lamps installed. Coming to the side view, you can see the door visor, which is of the checkered texture, which looks really good on this car, and the aftermarket badging of Alto and ORVMs painted the same body colors and the door handles too. And coming to the wheels, on standard car we get 12 inches steel rim. Here it has been replaced with 13 inches neon sport alloy wheels with Bridgestone 155 section tires. See, the side profile looks really stylish, at least for me personally. At the rear you have artificial antennas, 2 antennas and 1 shark fin antenna at the back, and even this side profile looks the same. Now coming to the interior part, the seats have been upgraded with black leathered seats with, you can see the red stitchings over here, which really looks sporty. Yes, and we have a aftermarket tuned-in music system from Sony and aftermarket screen for the reverse camera and for entertainment purpose, so that we never used to get bored. We always used to drive with some entertainment, so that's for sure. And bloopers, it's not safe to watch videos while driving, okay? So this, actually we have driven this vehicle for around, let's put in the ignition key. You can see it has been driven for around 77,288 kilometers driven. So still the vehicle is in mint condition. So same at the back as well. Though the seats has been like looking very sporty for this particular car. And talking about the ownership, I've been using this car for 8 years now. In this 8 years, the maintenance was very less, and the parts replaced are very few. Coming to the fuel efficiency, in the city with AC, I'm getting around 16 kilometers per liter, and on the highway around close to 20 kilometers per liter. That is not bad for this sort of small capacity 3-cylinder engine. Coming to comfortness, this is not so good as the Hyundai i10 or i20 or Renault Kwid. This is on a stiffer side since the vehicle weight is very less. This is almost around 750 kilos. So the ride quality is not great, but not bad. This is okay for a city driving. And why I chose this car especially is I drive alone. Maximum frequently I drive this vehicle alone inside the city only. So I go to my office, I come back, I go to some shop around my place inside the city. So this is a boon to drive inside the city, because we all know the traffic condition in Namma Bengaluru, and this is really a boon driving in traffic. and you need not have to run around find a parking space. So this will fit in any place this will fit in. So except that's not a no parking area, so other places everywhere this will fit in easily. So, and coming to what all the parts I replaced, as I said, I'll be saying the details at the end of this video. Coming to the parts, I have replaced the consumables, so that has to be regularly maintained. For example, the oil filter, the fuel filter, some consumables, fasteners, so rubbers. So those kind of consumables has to be replaced frequently, and oil. So that is the that will not come under maintenance. That's the almost like it has to be replaced. So that is a must. And if you're asking about the major parts as a replacement, I have replaced the full 4 suspensions on this car and the front disc rotor. So that was the major parts that was replaced in this car in the past 8 years. So no other parts has been replaced. The vehicle is in stock condition. The engine is smooth. Still you can see the car, like the oxygen after the combustion, we still get the water at the back of my silencer. So the vehicle is still smooth, buttery smooth, and my clutch, my gear, everything are still working fine and smooth. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Cooling Glass Views and press the bell icon. If any of you have a long-term vehicle like this which you really love, don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video. Bye. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Cooling Glass Views and press the bell icon. If any of you have a long-term vehicle like this which you really love, don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video. Bye. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Cooling Glass Views and press the bell icon. If any of you have a long-term vehicle like this which you really love, don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.